And now friends, let's first convert this person class into an abstract class. And let's see what are the differences that will come in the child class if we do this. So here if I make it abstract, say, and if I save it, you can see that employee doesn't have any changes here, means no error will come. And if I move to the test class, you can see the no error will come. And if you run this particular one, let me save it all. And if you run this one, you will have the same output that we are getting earlier in the last of the example when we want to show the address. Now, what happened to the person class if we made it abstract? So if you try to create, the first change is if you try to create an object of person, it won't happen. See, if I if I delete all this thing, and if we try to create a object of person, CP, and a new person like this, okay, and when I save it, okay, you will get an error and it says, okay, cannot instantiate the type person. Why? Because the person is a is an abstract class. So abstract class object cannot, you cannot create it directly because it doesn't available. It's a theoretical class. So what is the purpose of the abstract class? The main purpose of the abstract class is to inherit. So that's why when you create an object of employee, the employee will create an object of person, and this is how things work. Now, if you can see out here, we haven't made any changes in the methods. All of the methods are concretes, means all of the methods are well defined. We have an instance variable, even we have a constructor available here, and everything is working fine. But by making this class abstract, what happened, my friend? We have put in the restrictions that we cannot create object directly. Instead, we need to go through the child class. In the next lesson, we will talk about how to deal with the methods.